Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can link external bank accounts in the Capital One mobile app or website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So after you've signed into your account, what you will have to do is navigate to your account and feature settings. From mobile, you will just have to tap the profile menu in the lower right hand corner of the screen, which is like this, and then from the web, you will just have to go to the menu and then you will select account and feature settings as well. And you should see something like this. And now for step 3, you will just have to view your external accounts. You will select manage my external accounts, and for web, you will navigate to the external accounts and it should look something like this. And then you will just have to tap this add an external account button, and then next you will just have to select how you would like to use your new external account. So you could either choose payments and transfers to use the account for credit card and loan payments or transfers from other banks, and you could choose payments if you plan to only use the account to make credit card or loan payments. And when adding an account for payments and transfers, they may ask you to provide additional verification for your security. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.